Hey everybody, I want to share an introduction that I had the honor to play with the Gospel Keynotes, Willie Neal Johnson and Gospel Keynotes. What an honor to work with such an amazing group. And the legendary guitarist Val Alexander was gracious enough to show me the introduction to that song. He taught me the chords and everything. And I think it's beautiful. And I'm going to share it with you. I hope you enjoy it, okay? And it goes like this. We're in the key of A, okay? Again. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, we're going to start out with the A chord, okay? On the second fret, I'm going to play open E, okay? The next note you play on your D string is a E, okay? The next on your G string, you're going to play a A. On your B string, you're going to play a C sharp, okay? Okay? And then the walk is a C sharp, D, E, F sharp, okay? And then you're going to go to that B, but you're going to play the B with the A open, the open A. See that? Beautiful, right? And then that next chord is actually a D minor, but we're gonna put the A in the bass. Okay, back to the A. And then that little open walk I did was a E, a F sharp, and then the A. You hit that, strike that twice, okay? So I'm gonna play it again. Again. I hope you enjoy it. Comment. I want to hear from you guys. If you want me to play the entire song, or if you have a song or a quartet song that you want me to kind of focus in on, let me know. I would enjoy sharing it with you. Have a great day.